Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a collage on Canva. Let's get into it. First, start a new design. The first step is to open the website and pick the size of the paper you want to use. You need to have a blank space ready before you can start adding your photos. Open the page and click on the big button at the top that says Create a Design. Type the word collage into the search bar and pick the one that matches the shape you want, because the computer needs to know how big your picture should be. You have to pick a size for your project so all your photos fit perfectly on the screen. Without this step, you wouldn't have a background to glue your pictures onto, and you wouldn't be able to start your work today. Next, pick a grid for your photos. You need to find a layout that has empty boxes where your pictures will sit. Look on the left side for the button that says Elements. Scroll down until you see the word Grids, and click on a layout that has the right number of boxes for your photos. It acts like a guide for your pictures. These boxes make sure every photo stays in its own spot and looks neat. It ensures that your collage isn't messy and that all the edges line up perfectly without you having to move every picture by hand. Next, upload and drop your pictures. Now, you need to bring your own photos from your computer into the design tool. Click on the Uploads button and pick the pictures you want to use. Drag each photo from the side and drop it right into one of the empty boxes in your grid, because it brings your own memories into the design. By dropping the photos into the boxes, you are letting the tool resize them. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure your pictures look clear and fill up the whole space. And that's it. To make a collage in Canva, you must first start a new design to get a blank space. Then, you pick a grid to give your photos a place to sit. Next, you upload your pictures and drop them into the boxes. Finally, you change the colors and save your work to your computer. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.